Hi, my name is Ossi Oikarinen. I'm a Formula One engineer and I also drive track racing cars. Today I'm going to show you how you can do a RVS treatment on a two-stroke engine.
RVS two-stroke is a product that is designed for treating two-stroke engines in different devices. In the easy-to-use package, you'll find the RVS substance in a bottle and an easy-to-follow multilingual application instruction. Shake the contents of the bottle well so that it becomes homogeneous. Then pour it to an amount of fuel that is sufficient for about 30 minutes run and use the device until you almost run out of fuel. After that, you can fill up the fuel tank and continue using the device as usual. The package sizes are for 125cc and 500cc engines. You can treat two 50cc engines with the smaller one, and you need two of them for a 250cc engine.